A for apple. B for bowl. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for goat. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for king. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for owl. P for parrot.
Q for quail. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for violin. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Z for zebra.